Hi everybody, it's Wendy from Cinnamon Sweet Shop. Today I'm going to be making some buttermilk rolls, and with most of my recipes I try to make them just a little bit healthier. So what you'll need for this recipe: whole wheat pastry flour. I'm using my Earth Balance vegan buttery sticks. You could use unsalted butter as well. Sea salt, baking soda, just a little bit of organic sugar. I'm using a reduced fat buttermilk for this recipe, and of course you're going to need some yeast. In a pot we're going to heat up the buttermilk, the sugar, and either your butter or your vegan butter, and we're going to let this come to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, I'm going to whisk in the baking soda, then remove from heat and let it cool down till it's about lukewarm. In the meantime, we're going to pour our yeast into about a 1/4 cup of lukewarm water. And I'm going to just whisk that a little bit. And then let this stand for about 5 minutes. The yeast should be a little bit foamy and bubbly. At that point, we're going to add it into the buttermilk mixture. Whisk together real well. Whisk the salt in with the flour in a larger bowl. And now mix the liquid to the flour. I'm just going to mix this until the dough starts to form and it comes together. I'm going to take my clean hands and just knead it in the bowl till it forms a nice, smooth, soft dough. About 2 minutes. Cover it with some plastic wrap and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Now, if you live in a colder climate, you may want to put a towel on top of this just to trap in some of that heat so that your dough will rise. So I have a glass 9-inch by 13-inch pan, and I sprayed it with canola oil spray. You can also use a butter to do that. And I'm going to separate this into 12 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a ball and then just place in your pan. I want these to double in size, so I'm going to lightly cover them with plastic again and then let them sit for an hour and a half. Now I'm ready to bake them, and I have the oven set to 425 degrees, and they're going to be baking for about 15 minutes or until your rolls are puffed up and golden brown. These rolls are best served when they're still warm and with your favorite fruit spread. I'm using Zabar's brand cherry preserves, which I also use these in my Linzer Tort recipe a little while back. Don't forget, for this recipe and all my other recipes, make sure you visit my website at cinnamonsweetshop.com and join me for other videos. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you all next time.